Frustrated? It's time to take control of your home climate. Meet Sensibo Air, the revolutionary device that makes your existing AC smart, maximizes your comfort, and saves energy. Control your AC from your phone, at home, or from anywhere, and save big on utility bills. It takes only 60 seconds to upgrade your AC into a full-blown intelligent climate machine. Using Sensibo's app, you can perform intuitive tasks like setting a timer to fully automated schedules and climate triggers. The Sensibo app is full of features that every member of your family will love. Control the temperature and humidity to everyone's needs. Stop wasting energy cooling empty rooms. Set your Sensibo to use your geolocation and automatically turn your AC on before you arrive and power it off after the last person leaves. And use your favorite voice assistant to set the perfect temperature for you. Sensibo Air seamlessly connects to Apple Homekit and to dozens of other smart home platforms. It's time to stop worrying about your indoor climate and achieve peace of mind. Sensibo, make your AC smart today.